Hi, I'm Martin. I'm going to show you how to put a pan in this Barracuda. One of the things we're putting completely, it's connected by spot welds, and each one of these is a spot weld all the way down here. So we're going to take each one of these and take the surface off so they become weak. And the same up here. And cut that down to size and put in place, and by a sequence of 2 different types of welding we'll put a new floor pan in, and let's hope everything goes good. So right here what I'm doing is marking out where I'm going to off the rest of the old floor, and then basically look what we've got from there. Hopefully not a surprise, but unfortunately with the unibody you do get surprises. And here we go. So right there's my first cut line. So now the secondary cuts. So what I tend to do now is to cut on this side where it's clear and I'm not hitting the underneath of the structure. So here we go. Yeah, we have a secondary structure. Okay, and now hopefully we just join the dots. There we go. That's just to see a little bit better in there. So now I've got to bring the cut all the way through.